What's going on YouTube? Brandon Lechuga here, and welcome to 303 Streets. What is going on YouTube? Brandon Lechuga here, going to make this real quick and short. This video is about all the controversy over the seats being sprayed. Let me show you. Sorry about that. As you can see, I sprayed them blue. As you can see, they still have stains on them. So even painting them might not get rid of all the stains. Anyways, the point of this is, let me just start off by saying yes, the spray I used in my current video, my previous video, it does work. It doesn't come off. You can paint your seats with it. It said fabric on it. A lot of controversy over that because, you know, I've gotten a lot of comments. Oh, you're lazy. You're a millennial. You do everything the lazy way. Bro, first off, you don't even know me. I've cleaned these seats with a shampooer 5 times. I've cleaned these seats with a spray bottle 5 times that was meant for carpet to remove stains. I've cleaned this with pet stain remover 5 times, and the stains are still there. So clearly, one, you don't know me, so don't try to assume you know me and start saying incorrect things about me. Like, don't try to make me look stupid. Don't try to make me look dumb, bro. You don't know me. I'm probably, 1, smarter than you. 2, guarantee I'm probably more successful in life. I hate to sound ignorant, I hate to sound cocky right now, but I don't know many people at the age of 25 that were able to buy a GTR, have a Challenger, a lifted truck, a 4x4 off-roading vehicle, a dirt bike, and a $500,000 home. So don't try to degrade me or put me down because, again, you don't know me, so don't slander me, fool. Sorry about that. About that rant. It really irritates me when people act like I didn't do research, or I didn't try to clean it, or I didn't try to, you know, get the stains up. Duh, I did. And again, this is a work vehicle. This is 1 out of 6 of my vehicles that I have. Get over it. This is, if I traded this in, this car is worth maybe $3,000 to $4,000 if I traded it in. If I sold it outright, maybe $5,000. It's not, again, this is not a weekend car. I do not take this car out on weekends, so that's why I have a GTR. That's why I have a Challenger. You know, this is just to get me from point A to point B and put my work equipment in, my work tools, and other work stuff. You know, that's all this vehicle is really meant for. So again, yes, the fabric that the spray I used is Rust-Oleum. It is meant for plastic. It is meant for tons of different stuff. Metal, plastic, rubber, tons of stuff. And yes, one of them did say fabric on there. So the fact that all you people don't either know how to pay attention, or you, I don't know, have a terrible memory, or you didn't watch the video actually, yes, the paint I used did say fabric on it. Is it strictly fabric paint? No, it is not. Do I recommend using strictly fabric paint? Yes. 2 reasons. 1, I guarantee, I know for a fact it says fabric on it. It's meant for fabric. The can I used did say fabric, but was I skeptical about it? Yeah. Does this paint come up that I sprayed in the back? No, it does not rub off on clothes, so it does work. But with fabric paint, you can guarantee it's going to dry quicker and it's going to stick to the fabric, whatever fabric you're spraying it on. The can I used, the paint stuck to my fabric. It did work. It didn't dry very quick. It took 3 to 4 days for it to completely dry. 1, you know, it was winter, so it was cold outside. It's not like it ever really got warm. I live in Colorado. It gets cold here. We get tons and tons of snow. 2, I overdid it. You know, I put 3 cans of spray. The cans are this big, you know, 12 inches long. It's the oversized 20 extra percent cans or whatever. So I used 3 of them. I overdid it, and I didn't let it dry properly. So if you're going to use it during the summer when it's hot. Do light coats, let it dry for 10 minutes. Another light coat, dry for 10 minutes. Repeat the process until you're happy, and then give it 3 to 4 days to make sure that it dries. You know, make sure that it's in there and it's not going to come up. After those, you know, 3 to 4 days after drying, take a wet rag, take some soapy water, get a spray bottle, spray the cloth down, wipe it off, get the leftover residue. You want to get the leftover. That's what I did. Not everything's going to stick to the fabric. So, you know, I went, got the spray bottle, put a little bit of soap in it, soaked the seats, got a cloth, wiped it off. You know, it didn't pull up heavy amounts of paint. It didn't pull up tons of paint. it just got all the leftover residue. So yeah, that can paint that I used in my first video, yes, it does work. And I know tons of people had questions about this, tons and tons of people. I think it's got like 10,000 views right now, tons of comments. So yes, it does work. Again, light coats, do it in the summer, let it dry properly, then do another light coat. Don't do heavy, don't go heavy on it because it's going to take longer to dry. 3 to 4 days after that, take a wet rag, wipe off the seats, get the rest of the residue off. I also suggest take the seats out. Don't do it like me. I just did in the car. I didn't get paint on any of this up here in the front. There's no paint anywhere else, but you're gonna get a little of overspray. It just happens. So take the seats out. Again, if you're gonna do it the right way. Take them out. But yes, it does work, and I'll show you here in a minute. I'm about to get to my house. I'll pause the video, start it up again, and I'll rub my hand all over the seat. I have had people sit back there, nothing's come off. So this paint does work for fabric. The fact that people, again, it just baffles me how ignorant people are in life, and to go to be like, oh, you're lazy, millennial. Like, bro, don't try to categorize me. Again, you don't know me. I did try to clean them. I did read the can. It did say fabric. You're just stupid and you just don't watch the video, or you have a terrible memory. Like, yes, I agree. I will agree that it is not the best paint for fabric. Did it say fabric on it? Yeah. Does it work on fabric? Yeah. Does it come off? No. Stop being a little punk ass. Oops, sorry for cussing. Stop being a little negative Nancy and criticizing when, again, you don't know me, you don't know anything about me, you don't know what I did, and clearly you didn't watch the video because you didn't see where it said right on the can, fabric, can use on fabric. So this, again, I just want to give an update to all the people that were curious, tell all the negative Nancys, I really don't care what you think, and again, you're probably not on my level, so your opinion, take it as a grain of salt, because a lion doesn't concern himself with the opinions of sheep. Sorry, bro. Like, I know a lot of people go on the internet to try to spark something in me. Like, I don't really care. I just like calling people on their BS because I think it's funny how tough people are over a keyboard, and I guarantee if you were in front of me, you probably wouldn't be saying anything. And if you did, I'd probably be talking to you like I am right now, right to your face. So, again, it does work. So, for all the people that were curious if it works, yes, it works. Yes, you need to do really, really light coats. There will be overspray and leftover particles and residue that you need to wipe up, but it does work. I've had people sit back there and it hasn't come up. So yeah, I'm actually getting ready to pull up to my house, and we will do a quick walk around of the vehicle on the inside, and I'll rub my hand on it, and you'll see that it doesn't come off. What a miracle, what a surprise. So yeah, here we go. Alright guys, here we are back at it really fast, and again, like I said, it's dirty, it's a work vehicle, stains still come through. So again, that's why I did it. As you can see, I had my white dog back here, so it's filthy. But let's go to the paint can really fast. Paper and fabric. Use on. So again, people that don't pay attention, time to focus. Snap, snap. Let's pay attention here and not be ignorant. Yes, it did say fabric. Yes, it does not come off. Wow, miracles. Just wanted to show you guys, it doesn't come off. Again, cover it properly, overspray, take them out, do it the right way if you're going to do it, and especially if you're going to use this paint. This is what I used. It was a gloss, and again, it said fabric. Can you read, people? Okay, pay attention. Sorry for all you slow people out there, but yes, this is meant for fabric. Yes, it does not come off. Yes, I still have stains on it, and I used 3 cans back here. Probably gonna have to do the same up there. It's stained pretty bad, and again, yes, I tried to clean it. Yes, this is my only option, really. I have a white dog. I would not put my white dog back here. You can see the hair. I would not put my white dog back here and have her get covered in paint. It's just stupid. Again, doesn't come off. Nothing's coming off. Doesn't come off. So you're good, for all the people that wanted to know. And again, I would not do this on, a $35,000 truck, $40,000 Challenger, fucking $70,000 GTR. I wouldn't do this on any of my vehicles. I have over $100,000 worth of vehicles. So the fact that you think, again, I have people judging me for doing that. I don't really care what you think. Guarantee you're not on my level. Sorry, again, sorry for sounding ignorant and rude and conceited and stuff, but it just really rubs me the wrong way when people get on the internet and start dogging people over the internet. There's nothing more annoying. Sorry, I thought I saw something on the truck. There's nothing more annoying than having keyboard warriors. On a side note, GTR's clean, and got some new purple floor mats. Got the purple stitching going on over here, and this is going to be a nice little project I'm working on. So stay tuned for that. But let's go back really quick to the Nitro. You probably can't see it, but it got some hail damage. So probably going to be trying to paint this the same color and the truck the same color as the like lime green flakes that are in this. This is filthy, but yeah, sorry, back to the point really fast. You know, it didn't turn out perfect. It's not great, but it works for what I use it for. Looks a little bit better than the gray that's all stained. I mean, you can still see stains. That's life. So yeah, if you're gonna do this on one of your cars, it does work. So don't listen to all the people on the video, because clearly they're uneducated and don't pay attention very well. One last time, doesn't come off. That's the key. Let it dry 4 days. Get a wet rag, wipe it down, spray some soapy water on it. I soaked mine. Scrub it, scrub it, scrub it. Get the leftover residue and you're good to go. Doesn't come off. Miracles. Look, nothing. So again, sorry for being a dick in this video. Just people irked me the wrong way and just rubbed me the wrong way. I'm just getting really irritated. So again, don't mean to seem conceited or anything, but yeah, it works. So use it. I'm going to use it again. I'm finishing up my interior on the front with it. Show you that really fast. I did, you know, there we got some suede wrap. Just gonna finish everything up. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helps, especially if you're on the fence about spraying it with, you know, that kind of spray can or whatever. Yeah, it works. It won't come off. It does say fabric, so you'll be good to go. Yeah, thanks for checking out the video. This is 303 Streets. Sorry for being a dick in the video. Sorry for saying the D word right now. Yeah, I just got really irritated with people because it just amazes me how uneducated and ignorant people are. So, again, thanks for checking out 303 Streets. Stay tuned. Pretty soon I'm going to wrap this roof. It's gray. It's going to be suede. And it's going to be black. Or possibly purple. I don't know. We'll see. So, yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for checking out the video. This is Brandon Lechuga. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you're going to be a negative Nancy, go ahead, leave it. I'll accept it anyways.